Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, August 23rd. Please stand and join us for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, boys and girls, I have seen so many examples of being champions for kindness all around our school. Today, I wanted to highlight two of our students who wanted to share how you can be a champion for kindness by being a friend at recess. First, we have Ansh. Ansh, what's something kids can do to be a good friend at recess?
To be a good friend, you can help somebody when they get hurt.
Great idea. What could they do if somebody gets hurt?
You can call the lunch mom or call somebody to help.
Awesome, great idea. Janie, do you have an idea about how kids can be a good recess friend?
Playing together at the slide.
Oh, what a great idea, playing together at the slide. All right, thank you both very much for representing second grade with these great ideas. The other example of Champions for Kindness that I saw, we had a classroom of third graders who are already thinking about those kindergartners that are going to be joining us on Monday. They made all kinds of welcome signs and posters and did a huge decoration display to welcome our kindergartners. So thank you so much to that third grade classroom. And then finally, there's only one you, and we know that, and the rocks that you've been creating are amazing. We look forward in the very near future to having you place your rock in our rock garden, which is going to decorate our front entryway. All right, it would not be Friday if we did not sing the Hoover song together. So welcome back, week 1, to our Hoover song. Are you guys ready? No. Thank you very much. All right, Hoover, let's be champions together.